Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cool effect you see in the thumbnail. So let's jump right into it. First off, we want to have a background, so grab your rectangle tool, draw a rectangle as big as your artboard. We want to remove the stroke color and add a fill color. Now you can add whichever color you want. Then you can press Command 2 to lock your background in place. This way it won't move around for accident. Now what we want to do is add another rectangle on top of this one. Change color of it so we can see it better. Right? Now what we want to do is click and hold where you see the eraser tool, and we're going to grab our knife tool. Now if we want to have 3 words, we got to cut this rectangle into 3 different parts. We can cut it however we prefer. I like to go a little crooked sometimes. So I'm going to do 1, 2, and 3. Right? So now it should be 3 different shapes. So we have our 3 different shapes. Now it's time to write our text. Each word has to be separate, so you want to write 1 word at a time. We have our text. Now you can change its font. And we're going to place our first word into our first shape, second word over here, and third word over here. Once we placed everything, select your text, right click on it, and go to Arrange, Send to Back. We're now going to select our first text and our first shape, and we're going to go to Object, Envelop Distort, Make with Top Object. This will distort your text into the shape we created. So we're going to do this with the other ones as well. The shortcut for this is Option Command C. Right, so now we have our cool font. I'm going to select everything, resize it a little bit. Now we can go to Object, Expand, press OK, ungroup everything. Now you'll be able to change the color of your text to whatever you want. And since it's ungrouped, you can already move it around a little bit just to create more space in between the letters, just like this. Pretty cool, huh? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.